DepEd Vision. We dream of Filipinos who passionately love their country and whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. As a learner-centered public institution, the Department of Education continuously improves itself to better serve its stakeholders. DepEd mission: to protect and promote the right of every Filipino to quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administrators and staff, as stewards of the institution, ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibility for developing lifelong learners. DepEd core values: maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa.
Mabuhay! Good day to all! I am your tutor Madge. Welcome to ETUlay, a free online tutorial, an initiative of the Department of Education, Information and Communications Technology Service, Educational Technology Unit, ICTS EdTech. This program is aimed at helping and assisting learners from kindergarten, senior high school, ALS, Alive, and SPED learners. Aside from answering the modules, the ETUlay is offering programs which you will surely look forward to. Together with our parents and teachers, the ETUlay will bridge the gaps where difficulty and ease meet in learning new knowledge and skills. So, let us prepare our modules, pen and paper. Ready your mind to see and hear worthwhile and interesting lessons. Let us now study and learn, together with our volunteer online tutors. Tara na!
Hello, hi, mabuhay sa ating lahat from Luzon, Visayas, at Mindanao. Once again, I am Tutor Robbie sa Electronic Product Assembly and Servicing. Kaya kumusta lahat? Yan. Kaya sa mga nanonood dyan at bago pa lang dito sa ating episode sa Week 8, huwag niyo naman kalimutang i-share at i-like na rin ang ating bagong episode and last episode for this quarter na sa gayon ang bawat isa sa inyo ay matuto sa Electronic Product Assembly and Servicing kasama ninyong gurong tagapayon, lagi nandito para ikaw ang matuto ang Mr. P Energy sa TLE, si Tutor Robbie. Kaya sa mga nanonood dyan, no, i-share nyo na lang and i-like nyo na rin ang inyong mga episode na meron tayo dito. And then if ever you really wanted to be part sa ating mga activities, you can comment your answer in our comment section. You can include also the name of your school and the name of your advisor or teacher sa EPAS nang sa gayon ay ma-recognize natin silang lahat. Kaya sa mga learners dyan na nanonood from Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, samahan nyo na ang inyong tutor dito sa Electronic Product Assembly and Servicing. And before anything else, I would like also to recognize the presence of our tutors or volunteer tutors sa iba't ibang school division sa Pilipinas. At kami ay makakasama nyo every Friday from 9 a.m. to 4:20 p.m. Ayan. At ito yung ating mga tutors sa TLE and ETP. Ayan, at itong episode nito ay maaari nyo mapanood sa ating official Facebook na DepEd ETUlay, maging sa ating YouTube channel, DepEd ETUlay din. At may makikita kayong QR code for more comments and suggestion. You can scan this one and you can comment anything you want na makakatulong sa ating episode. And this is the last week na pag-uusapan natin for this quarter. Ayan. And in our quarter 3, week 8, ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-troubleshoot ng electric clothes iron. So definitely our topic for this session or week 8 is troubleshooting of electric iron. So before anything else, I am the module writer of this module, definitely, I'm Sir Robbie from SDO Las Piñas National High School. At ang ating module ay align naman sa ating curriculum guide sa training regulation the rather itinatali natin to although wala tayo sa MELS. However, itutuloy natin ang pagkatuto sa EPAS. Ayan, for our quarter 3 week 8 objectives, we will going to have this. At the end of our tutorial, you're expected to identify the parts and functions and diagram of electric clothes iron, familiarize the common faults of electric clothes iron, and of course, the last but not the least is to practice the safety precautionary measures in diagnosing domestic appliances, particularly in electric clothes iron. For our learning outcome or learning competency, we're going to conduct a complete checkup of consumer electronic product system and verify the defects against the customer's description, or even you as a listener here in our live session. Okay, before we proceed in our topic for this session, of course, hindi mawala ang pagre-review. Last meeting, nagkaroon tayo ng review, no? So all you have to do is you can scan this QR code, you can open the drive, you can install the image sequencing, and then, of course, you can open this without internet. Ayan, tama kayo naririnig, no? So while waiting sa ating mga online learners, although ito ay natapos na natin at ito ay nagawa na natin, ang gagawin na lang natin review, actually sa mga online learners natin, this is just only our activity. So definitely, ang gagawin nyo na lang dito is i-practice nyo yung sarili nyo kung paano mag-disassembly ng rice cooker. Kasi for sure na hindi lahat ay may rice cooker, may gamit, pero with the help of our activity, pwede nyong gawin ito sa inyong bahay. Ayan. Ayan, wala pala yung aking... Anyway, I'm Tutor Robbie, no? So, napakilala ko naman ng aking sarili. So, let us continue. Pag-usapan natin yung last meeting na ni-review natin, no? Ano nga ba ang meron sa rice cooker? Ayan nga, sige nga sa mga online learners natin dyan na nakikinig, kindly type the different parts. Hindi, kasi nandiyan yung parts, no? What are the common problem na meron sa ating rice cookers? Okay, you can comment your answer in our comment box since ngayon ay ma-recognize natin. Ayan, sa mga nakikinig dyan, ayan, for sure, mga estudyante from Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School ay present na present. Nandyan din ang Godfredo National High School Senior. Ayan, at nandyan din ang Las Piñas National High School. So magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ayan, if ever you have the answer, kahit hindi na natin mabasa yan, okay lang. Kasi the most important is you already familiar with the different common or the common problem of this rice cooker. So ano nga ba yung rice cooker? It says here that the rice cooker or rice steamer is an automated kitchen appliance designed to boil or steam rice. So ano nga ba yung ginagawa na ito? Syempre, nagsasaing, pero ano nga ba yung dapat nating ang laging tandaan? Yung different parts and function, mapa-internal man siya or external, definitely dapat alam nyo kung paano nyo siya i-identify kasi once na alam nyo na magbasa ng pinaka-wiring diagram nito, even the parts, madali nyo na lang siya maayos. Actually, class, sa mga online learners dyan or sa mga nanonood sa atin, no? Ano ba yung mga domestic appliances na madaling ayusin? Number one dyan is yung mga tinatawag nating domestic appliances that commonly use heating elements. So, number one dyan ay yung rice cooker. At yan. So, sabi nga rin dito, itong rice cooker na to is consists of heating source or pati yung cooking bowl and of course yung thermostat na ginagamit natin. And this appliance can help the hindi naman thousand, no? So, multiple way. Nandiyan yung pwede ka magluto ng lugaw, magpakulo, mag-steam ng pagkain. So these appliances can help the household cook quickly rise without overcooking and burning. Yan. So ganun lang yung kasimple yung pinaka-function ng rice cooker. So what else? Since we already done with this, ayan, sa mga online learners natin dyan, no? Ayan, marami na sumasagot siguro dito sa atin ng iba't ibang problema ng rice cooker. Nandiyan yung nasosobra ng overheating, kaya hindi na umiilaw, kaya walang power, hindi na nakakapagpakulo, yung switch may sira na. Yun yung mga common problem na binibigyan natin ng solution. So definitely with that, let us proceed in our new topic. And before anything else, of course, I will going to show you a picture and kindly identify what kind of object it is. You can type your answer in our comment section para ma-recognize natin. Ayan. Meron pa ba kayong mga ganitong gamit sa inyong bahay? At kung meron kayong ganyan mga gamit, isa lang ibig sabihin niyan, napakahusay nyo magtabi. Yan, sa mga gulat dyan sa ating mga parents and guardians dyan, kayo ba ay may mga ganito pa bang mga gamit? At saan ba natin ito ginagamit? For sure, ang ating mga parents, ang ating mga lolo at lola dyan ay familiar dito sa ating gamit. At ang tawag natin dito is clothes iron. O bakit wala yung electric? Siyempre, hindi pa siya dekuryente. Okay, but before anything else, these pictures or images is in-import natin dito sa Wikipedia, of course, para ma-recognize din natin yung may-ari nito. Ayan, may mga sumasagot na. Tawag natin dito is flat iron or electric flat iron or clothes iron. This kind of clothes iron is a device that when heated, it is used to press the clothes to remove creases or yung tinatawag natin gusot. Yes, tama. And this electric flat iron is a household appliance used to press the wrinkles out of and creases into clothes. When the iron is turned on, the consumer moves it over an item of clothing, an iron board o yung tinatawag nating gabayo. So definitely, parang forward, backward lang ginagawa natin until mawala yung tinatawag nating wrinkles or yung creases niya. Ayan, this is the combination of heat and pressure that can remove the wrinkles on your clothes. Right? So, clothes iron was invented in 1892. Yan. And this domestic or the clothes iron or hand iron using electrical resistance were introduced by Crompton and Company and the General Electric Company, allowing for the regulation of the iron's heat. And did you know, class, ang ating mga online learners natin yan, no? This domestic electric flat iron was the first of the household heating devices that received a universal recognition because this is the first heating device na nakilala. Ayan. Sa pangunguna yan ng Crompton and Company. Pero ano nga ba yung unang clothes iron na na-invento o na-discover? Ayan. Kung papansin niyo, meron tayong dalawang larawan dito at ito ay in-import lang natin sa isang module. Ayan, commonly ginagamit natin din yan sa EPAS. Ito yung dating ginagamit nila para matanggal yung wrinkles. Ayan, no? Sa China pa nagsimula. Hanggang sa maimbento siya na may sukat na 5 to 8 inches hanggang sa ma-develop na yung tinatawag natin electric iron. So before the introduction of the electricity, iron were heated by combustion. When we say combustion, ito po yun. Yung parang pinapainita sa uling o kaya kung saan mang heating surface, then itatap do sa mga clothes para matanggal yung wrinkles. And with that, of course, the electric flat iron was invented by American Henry W. Seeley on June 6, 1882. Yes, at si Henry W. Seeley nga ang nakaimbento ng first American electric flat iron. And how does clothes iron works? Paano nga ba siya gumagana from the power source at home, which is our convenience outlet? The electricity flows through a flat cord, passes through a thermal fuse, and temperature control, or yung tinatawag nating thermostat, followed by mag-iinit ng heating elements, and na commonly insulated ng mica insulator. And with the heat and the weight of the iron plate, the fibers are stretches and the fabric maintains its new shape when cooled. And some materials such as cotton require the use of water to loosen the intermolecular bonds or yung kasi meron siyang hibla-hibla na tinatawag eh. Basta I don't know kasi yung makaka-identify niya yung mga dressmaker. So shout out sa mga nanonood dyan na marunong mag-identify kung ano yung tinatawag na intermolecular binds sa ating mga tela, no? Many materials developed in 20th century are advertised as needing little or no ironing. May mga dinesign na mga t-shirt na hindi na kinakailangan or clothes na hindi na kinakailangan pa ng electric clothes iron. However, commonly ito talaga yung ginagamit natin, no? And most iron is done in iron board, a small portable or foldable table with heating resistant surface. Okay? So let us continue. And obviously, this electric flat iron or the clothes iron device, when heated, it is used to press the clothes. Ayan, at may mga external parts siya, may handle, may selector switch, o yung controlling switch niya na tinatawag. Then sole plate, yung plate surface sa ibabaw, and of course, nandyan yung power cord. At alam niyo ba na tumitimbang ang dating clothes iron for about 15 pounds and took a long time to heat? Ayan, yung mga ganitong design, no? Mahaba yung oras na ginugugol niya para makuha niya yung pinaka boiling point. Ay, sorry, hindi pala boiling point, no? Yung heating point. Ayan. So, aside from that, of course, sabi nga nila, habang bumababa yung wattage, mas tumatagal uminit. Habang tumataas yung wattage, mas bumibilis uminit. At mas mabilis na nakakapagtrabaho ang ating mga tagapamalanch dyan, yung mga parents and guardians, or even you as learners dyan, for sure marunong ka na rin ironing ng iyong mga damit. And assessing of existing problem of electric flat iron, paano ba yun? The first thing that you need to do is, of course, you need to recognize of course, you need to interpret the schematic diagram or wiring diagram of our clothes iron. And like any other electronic appliance, there are many problems that can come up with electric flat iron too. The following are some of the common clothes iron problem along with their possible solution, which is pag-uusapan natin yan mamaya-maya. Then, however, ito po yung ating clothes iron. Paano po ba yung pattern yan? Okay, papakita ko yung laser. Napakadali lang yan. Etong part na to, ang tawag natin dyan, ayan na yung AC, which is commonly dito na nakakonekta yan. Usually, tigisay, no? Hindi magkabilang dulo. Then, followed by yung tinatawag nating contact point or switch, pwede rin yan. And then, meron din tayong resistor elements o heating elements na tinatawag, or commonly, meron din itong mga resistor piece, no? Then, pilot lamp. Ayan yung mga kalimitan na nakikita natin. Pero itong mukhang resistor na symbol, sa ito, ang tawag natin dyan is heating elements or yung coated kasi siya ng mica. Yung mica na tinatawag, ito yung parang tingga o yung kulay green na kulay. And then yung nakapaligid sa kanya, this one, ayan naman yung tinatawag nating sole plate. Ayan. So let us continue. Ay, nakapag-drawing ako ng taray. And this is the parts of clothes iron. We have thermostat, this one. We have cover. Ito yung cover na tinatawag natin. Pwede rin naman ito. Yan. Handle kasi pala ito, no? Yung kabuuan ng plancha. We have behind cover, light indicator, handle, heating tube or heating elements. Pwede na. Then sole plate. Ayan. So sa loob naman yan, meron tayong tinatawag na heating control thermostat. This one. Na merong contact point. Ito yung papalinis ko sa inyo just in case na hindi masyadong umiinit ang yung mga clothes iron. Sa 1, 2, 3, dito nakakonekta yung pilot lamp. Dito yung pilot lamp, no? At dito naman yung power cord sa 1 and 2 para malaman natin kung may flow of electricity. Yan. So, you will notice that there is a bimetallic strip or yung tinatawag na contact point. Yan yung nagdidikit. Kaya nagkakaroon ng continuation ng electric current to deliver the source of energy coming from your outlet. So, ito naman yung schematic diagram o wiring diagram ng ating clothes iron. And you will notice na ito nga yung line 1 at ito naman yung line 2. Ibig sabihin, kung lalagyan natin siya ng power cord or plug, ganito po yung itsura niya. Yan. Yan, pangit lang, no? Kasi mouse lang ginamit ni tutor eh. Then, ito yung contact point. May thermostat din tayo dyan. May pilot lamp, may shunt or yung heating elements. And then, ito naman yung parts kung saan ito yung hanapin yan. And ang ating clothes iron ay may makikita kayong nakaiwalay na tube. Ano naman yung tube na yon? Tutor Robbie, ang tawag natin dyan is thermal fuse. And thermal fuse, kagaya ng sa rice cooker, it is a safety protective device used to cut off the circuit when the temperature rises above normal as designed for the unit. It is also protects the unit from the damage when overheating and short circuit occur. Okay. So what else? Dito, ayan, sa diagram kasi natin, pinapakita doon kung saan ba dapat natin i-connect yung pilot lamp. Katulad na lamang nito, paki-screenshot na lang if you really wanted to disassemble or reassemble or practice to familiarize the different parts of your clothes iron. Definitely, ito lang yung pattern na po pwede nyo gawin. And then, through this, ito yung resistor fuse or fuse natin. Ito yung pinaka thermostat, and then may bimetallic strip na nandito. Ito naman yung heating element, so yung tinatawag natin shunt, yan yung umiinit na dinideliver sa sole plate. Okay, when we say heating elements, it is a form of nichrome wire that assemble properly inside the high temperature metallic tube in flat iron to provide heat, and then it is covered by a mica para hindi mag-conduct yung too much heat para do sa buong plancha or hindi magkaroon ng tinatawag na electric shock every time na ginagamit natin siya. Lalo na kung gumagamit tayo ng mga metal kinds of clothes iron. At ito yung heating tube na tinatawag natin. Kasama niyan, yung tinatawag natin neon lamp or pilot lamp, it is used to indicate the electricity is flowing along the heating elements. And of course, the thermostat assembly, it is used to regulate the temperature. Ayan, ito yung magre-regulate ng init ng clothes iron. And kasama din yan, meron din tayong tinatawag na thermostat. Ay, sa thermostat na yan, nandyan yung pagkabuo niya. So pag nabuo na yan, ito naman yung kasunod niya. May bimetallic strip na malambot lang yan na tinutulak. Okay, ito yung tumutulak dyan, no? And ang nagtutulak dito kasi is itong bagay na to. Ito yung pinaka-switch kasi. Then, ito yung roller na made of ceramic na once na tinutulak to, umaangat ito para mag-cut yung flow of current. Kaya kung papasinin yung contact spring, ibig sabihin magkadikit, then pag hindi na contact, open na siya. Okay, tinutulak siya ng roller or the ceramic. Okay, now pag-usapan naman natin yung common clothes iron issues and problem. Ano may common issues and problem? Yung common issues and problem, ito po yun. Ayan, minsan walang power, the thermal fuse is defective, internal circuit, yung kadalasan meron din mga clothes iron na meron sensor na, no? Then, yung lifespan, madaling masira, every time na nahulog, wala na, hindi na kayang i-repair, then hindi na siya umiinit ng tama, yung pinaka-plate niya, napakadumi, siguro punong-puno na ng foreign objects, then overheat, pag-touch mo pa lang doon sa iyong clothes iron, nasunog agad. So definitely, yan yung mga common problem. Now, alamin muna natin, ano ba yung mga dahilan kung bakit nasusunog. Una, sobrang init. Ayan, dyan. So, etong pag-aaralan muna natin is yung different sole plates. Meron tayong ceramic, stainless, and titanium. And some disadvantage of two surfaces are the ceramic sole plates. Okay? Kasi, dyan yung medyo madaling kumapit yung mga tela. Okay, sa stainless naman, ayan, medyo maganda-ganda yan. No? So, for the stainless sole plate, ito yung pinaka-features niya. It has a good heat conducting capability. They distribute the heat evenly. They prevent or eliminate statics. They prevent clothes from sticking on the surface at higher temperature. Para naman sa stainless, they are durable. They are good conductors of heat. They have cleaner surface that are easier to maintain, and they allow even distribution of heat. Okay, dito naman sa ceramic versus titanium sole plate, it has a good heat conducting capacity, distribute the heat evenly, prevents or eliminates static, and stop gamming of materials to surface in higher temperature. When we say gaming, ay yung naglalagkit yung mga nasunog na foreign object or clothes do sa inyong mga clothes iron. Meanwhile, titanium salt plate made from titanium usually alloyed with aluminum or iron process. The following characteristic features are here. Corrosion-resistant surface, fast transfer of heat, shiny surfaces that are easily to maintain or clean, and even transfer heat, and very durable and lightweight. And already we have the disadvantage of ceramic salt plate as wearing a way of peeling with time, producing sticky surfaces when iron lightweight materials. So the titanium surface, when used for any materials, will not cause them to stick to it. They transmit heat faster than other materials and are lighter in weight than ceramic or stainless steel salt plate. Okay, the only disadvantage of titanium salt plate is care should be taken so that it does not burn or condemn the clothes due to overheating of particular surfaces can melt the materials na hindi naman sinasadya. Something ganun lang naman. Then last but not the least, the stainless steel salt plate iron. Ayan, ito yung halos the same lang din siya ng titanium. Pero ayun nga, nakita naman natin yung advantage and disadvantages ng tatlong salt plates sa ceramic, sa stainless, and titanium. So alamin lang naman natin yung problem and solution sa mga sa ating mga clothes iron. No? Din sa clothes iron natin, clothes iron not heating enough. One of the most common troubles with flat iron is not heating enough. Then the possible cause for this could be wrong thermostat, hindi na ayos yung pagkakaikot ng heating elements. So what else? Siguro madumi, yan. And what is the possible solution? The possible solution is to first you need to check if you have made all the connection properly. Check nyo kung buo pa ba yung connection. Then second is check the power switch, then plug, and then the thermostat as well. Or else you need to clean this side or the internal parts. All you have to do is clean the contact point. This one, itong parte na yan. Inaangat lang yan. Kaya kung papasin nyo, umaangat, di ba? Kiskisin nyo lang yan ng papel de lia or sandpaper. Mapapansin nyo naman pag malinis na kulitan. So pag hindi pa, syempre, kulay uling. Ayan. Moreover, try to change the heating modes of heat, whether the heat is increases or not. The clothes iron is not working. Obviously, ang check nyo lang dyan ay yung power cord. Not heating enough and not working altogether are different issue. One common problem that people face is the flat iron is not working. So, ano ba yung dahilan yun? Okay, and the possible solution is, of course, you need to check your power cords. Ito yun. AC line cords, you use to connect the unit to power cords. At check nyo rin yan, mamaya may putol yan. At ayan, minsan yung medyo natatastas yan. Hindi na common yan. Pero madali naman solusyon yun yan. If you think na wala kang pambili ng power cord, edi cover mo ng electrical tape. Pwede na yun. The next, dirty sole plate. Ayan. Ito yung common problem natin, yung mga maruruming dirty sole plate. Sabi nila, the solution, you must first remove any particle you see on the sole plate with the use of your hands. Siyempre, wag mo muna isasaksa, no? Pag hindi mo na talaga matanggal, definitely isasaksa mo para lumambot yung mga nakadikit dyan. Then, punasan mo ng dahan-dahan. Now, rub the cloth on the bottom of the iron to remove the stain and remark. And you can remove the burn marks by directly splitting the sole plates. Then, speaking of sole plate is a base metal that serves as the fabric pressing parts made of metal where the heating elements is placed. Okay, ito po yun. Yan. Yan yung kung saan siya yung nag-a-apply o nagtatransmit ng hinit o nagpapatanggal ng wrinkles ng ating mga clothes iron. And speaking of clothes iron, minsan nagkakaroon tayo ng sticking to clothes. Ito yun. Another common dry iron problem that you may experience is iron sticking to the clothes or fabric. This could be due to a burned sole plate. What happened is that due to constant usage. Yan, kasi araw-araw natin ginagamit. Pero madali lang naman yung solution dyan. All you have to do is to make sure you clean the sole plate properly. You can apply toothpaste or 1 tablespoon of toothpaste with water and 2 tablespoon of baking soda. Yan, tip ko sa inyan. Then apply this to sole plate and use it for, i-wipe nyo lang ng dahan-dahan. The iron cleaning the stream hole, etc. Kung ano yung gagawin niya, parang ganito. And if you think na may question or clarification, you can type your suggestion or anything sa ating comment section para alamin natin kung ano pa ba yung different ways na pwede natin gawin sa ating mga closed iron, no? Okay, sa mga online learners natin, no, na nanonood dyan, ano ba yung mga way na ginagawa nyo para matanggal yung mga ganitong dumi at kung naka-encounter kayo ng ganyang problema, anong ginagawa natin? Sige nga sa mga online learners natin dyan, pakitype nyo naman ang mga comments dyan at babasahin ng bawat isa sa inyo. Basahin nyo na lang, no? Although hindi mo na mababasa ni Tutor Robbie yan kasi isang device lang ang ginagamit ko, pero naniniwala ako sa inyo na kayang-kaya nyong sagutin yan. Okay? And now that you know the common dry iron problem or the common problem or the issues of your clothes iron, you can easily repair and maintain your appliances on your own. So you don't have to bring your clothes iron sa mga technician. Okay? With the help of this one, I do believe na kayang-kaya nyo nang gawin o ayusin. And with that, of course, let us test your understanding by answering the following. Okay, so mga online learners natin dyan, no, pakisagutan nga ang mga sumusunod na ito. Ayan, medyo may nag-aalarm na ang aking cellphone. Okay, with that, let us name the following parts. Okay, I will show you the different pictures and then you can show the possible solution. You can type the number before your answer. And number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then type your answer. Okay, I'll give you enough time to answer this one. Okay, time's up. Let us see your answer. If your answer in question number 1 is power cord or AC cord, your answer is correct. Number 2, yan. If your answer in number 2 is heating elements or heating tube, your answer is correct. Very good. You are awesome. Number 3. If your answer in number 3 is pilot lamp or neon lamp, your answer is correct. Excellent. Napagaling mo. Number 4. And sa mga sumagot ng number 4 ng thermostat, your answer is correct. Good job. And last but not least, if your answer in number 5 is fuse or resistor fuse, your answer is correct. Ayan. Sa mga nakakuha ng 5 over 5 dyan, itype nyo na ang inyong mga score sa ating comment section at i-recognize natin yan. And sa next na pagkikita natin yan, magkakaroon tayo ng recognition. Kaya sa mga ma-ipipm ko ngayong araw na to, sana wag nyo kong paghindian. Dahil isasama ko kayo sa ating recognition sa last day. Hindi pala sa last day, no? Sa first week ng ating fourth quarter before we engage sa new lesson natin. Kaya sa mga gustong mapabilang sa ating electronic products and be the best at TLE o magkaroon ng badge at certificate, mag-PM lang sa akin at mag-send lang kayo ng mga activity nyo na ginagawa nyo, yung mga activity natin, kahit selfie lang na sumasagot ka o nanonood sa ating live session dito sa ating electronic products and servicing sa ETUlay. Yan. At i-feature natin yan with the consent of your parents and your teacher. Yan. So once again, maraming salamat sa mga nanood, sumusubaybay at patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating ETUlay session. Ito ang ating ribbon and badge na makuha nyo every time na nagkikita-kita tayo dito sa ating session. Once again, I'm your tutor Robbie, ang Mr. P Energy sa TLE, ang guro tikbayan na lagi nandito para ikaw ay matuto ang Mr. P Energy sa TLE, Sir Robbie sa electronic products and servicing. Since we already done all those topic from week 1 to week 8. Congratulations sa mga nanonood dyan. At for more comments and suggestion, you can scan our QR codes dahil lahat ng feedback nyo ay malaking tulong sa aming mga tutors or volunteer tutors na maaaring makasama nyo every Friday from 9 a.m. to 4:20 p.m. Nandiyan yung TLE at EPP volunteer tutors natin. Kaya tumutok ka suportahan ng ating mga masisipag at magagaling na tutor every Friday from 9 a.m. to 4:20 p.m. And for more comments or suggestion, you can email us at edtech@deped.gov.ph, and also don't forget to scan this QR code for your feedback. At huwag niyo na din kalimutan na suportahan ang ating FB page dahil dito niyo mapapanood ang mga episode natin online sa online tutorial. Kaya kahit hindi mo ito nasubaybayan, pwede mo itong balikan ng mga lesson na hindi mo pa nasisimulan o napapanood. At huwag niyo na rin kalimutan na suportahan din ang ating special program sa Scouting. Yan. So once again, akong Gurong Tagapayan ng laging nandito para ikaw ay matuto, ang Mr. P-Energy sa TLE, Tutor Robbie. Yeah, magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na quarter dito sa ating ETUlay EPAS. So paalam sa inyo lahat.
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag ETUlay Level Up. Huwag aalis ha, dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan. Dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!